you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers and Guns! It's been about a month since I made a video for my gun channel. I'm sorry about that, but it's like winter time here in Long Island, New York. We just got like 16 inches of snow. So we can't go to the range or anything like that. You're probably thinking, well, will they not have wars in the winter or something? There's one about to start in the Ukraine. I'm like, yeah, I guess you're right. Why should snow stop us from going to the range, right? What, you can't shoot in the snow or something? It's just uncomfortable, you know what I mean? I just wear a lot of clothes. Get my white camouflage outfit on. Anyway, I wanted to unbox this for you right in front of you. I got this box last night from Velocity Ammunition, okay? They had a great deal that my friend Nameless saw last night, and he says, ooh, well, not last night, 3 days ago. He says, we gotta get it. It's only $327 on Velocity, right? They charge about $23 in tax or shipping, I want to say. I don't even remember. Oh, I think it was free shipping. Yes, it's free shipping, and it's $23 in tax. So it came out to like $360 or something like that. So I'm paying like 36 cents a round. The reason why we bought this is because it was cheap, 36 cents a round, and I'll just open it up for you. It was killing me because I wanted to open it up last night when I got it from the UPS guy, you know what I mean? But I wanted to unbox it for you so that you guys could have the same experience that I have. I've never got this brand before. I'll show you what it is. Oh, I bought the shipping insurance. It's only $2.25, you know what I mean? So it's worry-free, peace of mind, Porch pirates may steal it. It could get lost in shipment. Could end up in one of those Amazon trains, where people loot the trains and there's like packages sprawled out all over the railroad tracks. You guys know what I'm talking about. Anyway, $2.25, peace of mind. So this brand I've heard of, but I've never actually bought it before. 50 boxes of 20 of Sergeant Major. It's 223 Remington. It's brass jacket, 55 grain, full metal jacket, zinc plated case, non-corrosive, 20 cartridges. We had to get it. Why? Because it looks like this. Are you ready? Oh! Holy cow. So in the picture, it looked like silver or aluminum case, right? And so we're like, wow, silver or aluminum case for only 36 cents a round? We got to get some, But I believe this is Russian made, and I think it's still steel case, even though it says brass. What did it say? I don't exactly understand it, to be honest with you. It says a brass jacket, but I think it's still steel case, though, isn't it? Anyway, I just thought it really looked really cool being a steel case, and it looks like this. So, we split the case. We went split ski on it. He gets 25 boxes. I get 25 boxes. And so it only cost us each like $180. You know what I mean? So good deal, I think. I've never had this brand before, nor have I had this look of it. I mean, I think it looks pretty cool. Running my fingers through it, it's not as smooth as obviously the PMC brass is so smooth, It's almost like they put some kind of coating over it or polish it or something like that. But this is not as smooth. This almost feels just like Wolf or Tool Ammo or Barnold or Red Army, the Russian steel case. That's what it feels like. But it looks super cool, though, right? So we had to get it, It was a good price, and not that I really needed all that much, but being that we might be invaded by Russia soon, maybe we will need it. Hey, we can take their ammo. It's Russian. So like I said, we ordered this about 3 or 4 days ago. It was really quick. The minute we ordered, they shipped it out the next day. And 2 or 3 days later, here it is in my doorstep last night, you know? So I thought it was great. Sergeant Major, huh? It's kind of a cool name. Sergeant Major Munition. I recently fixed my friend Alan. Alan is my range buddy on my gun channel, this gun channel. And he had a concrete saw that his friend had, and he wanted me to fix it for him. And usually those concrete saws, 90% of the time, it needs a complete piston, bore, engine rebuild, which would probably cost $300 or $400 in parts and labor, you know. And I told him that. I says, it may be that, you know, it's probably that. But he was lucky and it wasn't that. It was just dirty air filter. Can you believe it? So anyway, I spent about a week. I held on to it. I fixed it for him and gave it back to him. And yesterday, for my troubles, he gave me 3 boxes of 20 PMC X-Tac green tip lap, 62 grain. Fantastic. Lap is light armor piercing, green tips. I've never owned green tips before, but I got 3 boxes now in case I need it. But anyway, great deal. Not the best deal. The best deal was the Tula ammo for $310. Free shipping, free tax. I mean, that's 31 cents a round. That's a great deal. That's like, those prices are like from 15 years ago. You know what I mean? But anyway, I got this from Velocity Ammo. I don't make any money from them. I don't even have an affiliate program with them. I don't get any kind of break from them. But I order from them a lot because free shipping. Anything over $100, they do free shipping. And they charge tax, which sucks. But what are you going to do? When you get good deals like that, you got to get it. So now I actually have too much 223. Although my friend says that you never have too much, which is kind of true, because you know what? A firearm is no good for your protection if you don't have enough ammo. You know what I mean? But anyway, that's my review unboxing of the new Sergeant Major. I don't know if it's new or not, but it's new to me. You know, Sergeant Major 55 grain, full metal jacket, brass jacket? I don't know. Looks like steel case to me. You know what I mean? Also feels like steel case to me. So it looks just like, it looks different, but it feels just like Tula ammo, Barnell, Red Army, Wolf. That's what it feels like. But looks really cool. And for 36 cents, I'll split a case with my buddy. Thanks a lot for joining me on this episode of unboxing a case of 223 ammo. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers, Blowers, and Guns.
All right, you won this one. Come on out. Soldier, how did you get that close to me?
Sniper! Approach the instructor by being a sneaky bastard!
I'm Henry from Mowers and Blowers. As a YouTuber that deals with small engine equipment on a daily basis, I worry about the harmful effects of the 10% ethanol that's in your unleaded gas from your gas station. Here on the East Coast, as winter nears, I think about storing my summer lawn equipment for the winter. Ethanol absorbs moisture, and what it does is it could rust or corrode and clog up your jets in your carburetor. That's why I use Ethanol Safeguard with stabilizers from my friends over at Lucas Oil Products. Before you store your machines, a little bit of Lucas goes a long way. When you're ready to use your machines again, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video, and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Buy it.